Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your device has at least some charge and is near the accessory. Open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth. Don't linger in menus. If you see an on/off toggle, try switching it once. This often reinitializes the service. If the toggle is missing, you'll need to check system services next. Make sure you have any passcodes or admin rights ready because you may be prompted to allow changes. Once done with the toggle, you should restart the Bluetooth service itself. On phones, force stop and clear cache for the Bluetooth app. On computers, restart the Bluetooth service or daemon. You're doing this because the service can hang even if the UI shows a toggle. Next, inspect drivers or system updates. Outdated firmware often breaks radio initialization. If a service fails to start, note any error code and update drivers, or run the built-in network troubleshooter to regenerate necessary files. Now finalize by resetting network settings or removing and reinstalling the Bluetooth adapter driver. This forces fresh configuration files and often restores the toggle. After reinstall, reboot and repair devices. Pairing confirms both software and radio function. If Bluetooth still won't turn on, test with another phone or headset to isolate the problem. Troubleshooting tip: if multiple devices fail, suspect hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.